Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the Aussie dollar, we made our way all the way up to the 61% Fibonacci retracement. This is actually a weekly time frame Fibonacci level. As you can see, it's the Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down. It definitely could hold this area, but it's already tested this area at least 3 times, so it also could break. The trend is your friend, and when the trend is up on a whole higher time frames, we need to at least see some kind of evidence that it's going down before we become too bearish. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, my most recent structure is right here. If price breaks below that structure right there, the first thing I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because that's the last impulsive move up. If you see this break a structure and then it goes down and eventually breaks this structure, then that would turn me much more bearish because then I would at least know that the 61% is holding. If it breaks this structure but then only makes like a three-way pullback to this last wave up, then it's just a pullback to this last wave up and would definitely still in an uptrend. So for me personally, I would definitely want to see this break a structure before I would become too bearish. This break a structure right here only proves to me that the last wave is over from here to here. It definitely doesn't prove that anything is over on the higher time frames. So definitely keep in mind, as always, that the monthly, the weekly, and the daily are all in uptrend still. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.